Good morning, student. This is your computer science class. I am going to start the new chapter, that is programming in C++. So first of all, please refer the above the documents. First document is the introduction to C++. Please open. And student, if you want to open this document, please install the Windows Office in your mobile or PC also. Okay, so first, what is mean by C++? So C++ is a middle level programming language developed by Bjarne Stottus starting in 1979 at Bell Labs. C++ it is a programming language which is useful for in software development. C++ run on very variety of platforms such as Windows, Mac OS and the various version of Unix. This C++ adopt a simple and practical approach to describe the concept of C++ for beginners and to advanced software engineer. Okay, so why to learn C++? C++ is a must for student and working professional to become a great software engineer. I will list down the some of the key advantages of learning C++. These are the advantages of C++. Please write down. C++ is very close to hardware, so you get a chance to work at a low level, which gives you lot of control in terms of memory management, better performance and finally a robust software development. It means it gives the platform to develop your software in enhanced memory management, better performance and finally a robust software development. It gives the better option as well as the better memory management as compared to the C programming. Then second, C programming gives you a clear understanding about object oriented programming. So student, please, it is the new concept for you. C programming gives you a clear understanding about object oriented programming. Means C++ is a object oriented programming because it consists of the classes and object concept. But in C++ programming, it also add up the C language concept in our system, and also use the object oriented programming in C++ programming. You will understand low level implementation of polymorphism when you will implement virtual tables and virtual tables pointer or dynamic type identification. Student, polymorphism, virtual table, virtual pointer, these are the new concept for you. Please, it's advantages, so please understand what he say. Okay, then third point is the C++ is one of the evergreen programming language and loved by millions of software developer. If you are a great C++ programmer, then you will never sit without work, and more importantly, you will get highly paid for your work. Then next point, C++ is the most widely used programming language in application and system programming, so you can choose your area of interest of software development. C++ really teaches you the difference between the compiler, linker, loader and different data types, storage classes, variable types, their scopes, etc. There are thousands of good reasons to learn C++ programming, but one thing for sure, to learn any programming language, not only C++, you just need to code and finally code until you become an expert. So first of all, C++ is a programming language which is helpful for development of software. So these are the example of hello world using C++. Means it means how to create a program for print the statement hello world. Okay, just give you a little excitement about the C++ programming. I am going to give a small conventional C++ hello world program. Okay, this is the example, not it is a very expertise program, so you can try it using Demolink. So student, please if you have a computer or laptop, please install the code block. This is the free software for you. Code block, install the code block and select the C++. I am telling you the experiment of practical of C++ program. I am giving you example video. So this is the program. Please write down. C++ is a superset of C programming with additional implementation of object oriented concept. In C programming you have to implementation of C program also, C programming concept also, and object oriented programming also. So first of all you have to see the C programming concept. So hash include IOStream. This is the package, or this is the header file which is included in C++. Without header file it cannot be run and gives the error. Using namespace standard, these are the variable which is used in C++. I am later tell you what is mean by using namespace standard. Hash include iostream.h. So this is the example, and this is the structure of C++. So int main. So red lines is it is the red lines and double slash line. This is the comment line, and which is not execute. Main is a where a program execution begins. So int main curly bracket cout statement. Cout is the printing statement. So hello world, print hello world, double quote hello's world, and return 0. This is the program of C++. I will explain each and every term in next lecture. So please understand and write down this is the example of C++. There are many C++ compiler available which you can use to compile and run above mentioned program. This is the compiler: Apple C++, Xcode, Bloodshed, Dev C++, CLang C++, Cygwin, GNU C++, Mentor Graphics, this IBM C++, Intel C++. These are the C++ compiler which is recently used in our system. It is really impossible to give a complete list of all the available compilers. The C++ world is just too large and too much new in happening. Means all the new adaptations and all new innovations are adopted in object oriented language. Applications of C++ programming. As mentioned before, C++ is one of the most widely used programming language. It has its presence in almost every area of software development. I am going to list of them here. First one, application software development. C++ programming has been used in developing almost all the major software operating system like Windows, Mac OS and Linux. Apart from the operating system, the core part of many browsers like Mozilla, Firefox and Chrome have been written using C++. C++ has also been used in developing the most popular database system like MySQL. MySQL means structured query language. So these are the application software which is helpful, these are the application software development which is made by C++ programming language development. So C++ has been used extensively in developing new programming language like C#, 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 Java, JavaScript, Perl